Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are located in Winter Garden, Florida, looking at this fantastic luxury house for sale. And I can't wait to show you this one because this is the first time we've seen a Florida home on this channel. Now, starting on the exterior, the first thing you see that it is covered in stucco. You have a 3-car garage right here to the right. You also have that beautiful tile roof that you see a lot here in Florida, and you're situated on 1.42 acres. The cool thing about this one is you have a lakefront property. You also, in the back, get to enjoy the Walt Disney fireworks. How cool is that? Now, I love that you have this huge motor court. You already see the front facing of the property. This is your view, and you see how much space you have, at least in the front yard. Now you do have like this cobblestone motor court here, and then that's gonna continue inside of your covered front porch. I love the soaring ceilings. You see how much space we have, and what a perfect day just to kind of relax on your front porch. Now you are gonna have the French doors, front door. You see we have the glass pane in here, but I can't wait for you to see inside of this one. Let's get you in. All right. So as soon as you walk in, the first thing you see is the soaring ceilings that continues here. Straight ahead, you have that lake view. What a fantastic lake view with these sliders as well. And then over here to the left, you see that you have your open concept dining, and that opens up to your kitchen as well. So look how spacious and roomy this is. Now you are on 5,500 square feet as far as interior living space. So you see how much space we have. You have the neutral colors that you get to take advantage of as well. And then you can see how it opens up right here to the kitchen. Now I'll do a full pan, so that way we'll continue and talk about some of the beautiful details and go from there. So the first thing you notice is you do have the quartz countertops. You also have the beautiful cabinetry. Look how custom this looks. Then you have the as far as the stainless steel appliances, you're gonna have Samsung. Then you have that cooktop right there, but look at that large window piece right there. Wow, what a staple right there. I love that. Now you can also see that you have the chrome hardware inside of here. Then the herringbone pattern backsplash, that's continuing and just surrounding the windows as you see right there. And then the custom wooden range hood. So you can imagine hanging out right here with the entire family. You see you have another area right there if you want to use that as a informal or formal dining. It really just depends. That's going to open up to the study. We'll get to that a little bit later on. But let me open up some of these cabinets for you. Now everything is soft closing, and I love this color right here. All right. Now you do have the oversized stainless steel refrigerator. Plenty of space in here. Look how spacious this is. So you will never have to worry about adding a secondary refrigerator whatsoever. You have plenty of space. Then you open up right here to your pantry.
Hey, Mark.
Hey, Bob.
I was trying to stay out.
You're good, you're good.
Feature the home.
Yeah, I appreciate you, Bob. That's Bob right there.
Thanks for showing off this beautiful home, by the way, Mark.
Absolutely, absolutely. And thank you so much for allowing us to come in here and just take a look at it. So now you enter over here to the right. You see this is your formal area. You can use this as a formal living, but look how open and spacious this is. The one thing I really want you to pay attention to is how the soaring ceilings really just continue throughout the home. So not only have 5,500 square feet of interior living space, but you're also going to notice that roomier feel with the high ceilings. So straight ahead, you are going to have your picture windows as well. So bringing in a ton of natural light. The cool thing about this one is you have a wet bar right over here to the left, but on top of that, you also have a powder bath. So perfect positioning right here for the powder bath that you get to take advantage of. Let me get the lights turned on for you. So you also see that the tiling continues in here. You're gonna have luxury vinyl plank as well, continuing upstairs. We'll get to that a little bit later on, but you'll also see that you have the recessed lights here, the floating shelves, and then the quartz countertops and an additional sink. So this is a perfect place to entertain your guests and just have a fantastic time. And then of course it all flows seamlessly. So that's the beauty of this entire floor plan here. And then of course, let me know what you think about the staging. They've done a great job of really just complementing this house. Especially love that as far as the sliders and going outside. And then of course you have the pool, so you get to take advantage of that. And this is for sale. So it's not one of those things where it's a model home and you have to wait for it to be built or you have to find out if they have inventory. This is first come, first serve. So I always say, if this is something that you absolutely love, go ahead and take advantage while you can before it's too late. Now, the cool thing is, look how tall these sliders are. So you can obviously see that you can open this all the way up and you have that indoor outdoor feel that you get to take advantage of as well. Now, if you wanted to use this as more of the family area, you know, we talk about that as far as the formal living area and then maybe more of an informal or a great room or a family room, this is what this is seeming more like. So you see that you have an additional area. If the seating over there is not enough for you, if you have a ton of guests over, then you get to take advantage and you don't have to worry about folks, you know, eating on their knees or something like that. You have a ton of space that you get to take advantage of. Now, continuing here, you see that we have the double sliding doors, and then look how spacious this study is. Now, the one thing I really love is that they added the additional sliders here. So if you wanted to take advantage of maybe like the side porch or something of that nature, you can certainly do that. But just look how open this is. And again, the raised ceilings continuing in here. Same thing with the flooring. And I love that. Now, the one thing that I know you most likely are going to appreciate is the fact that the primary suite is on the second floor. So I know I get a lot of times where, you know, folks will reach out and say, I really want a home where the primary suite is on the second floor just because my kiddos are there or I just spend a ton of time up there. Well, you're certainly going to get that here. But not only that, the garage, the 3-car garage is straight ahead right here. But then you have additional storage and another guest suite. So you can see the amount of storage that you have. This will be right underneath your staircase. Then of course you see your open mud area. You see you already got the built-in bench. You already got the hooks as well, the chrome hardware you get to take advantage of here. And then if you pan over here to the left, look how neat this is. Perfect positioning, tall ceilings, a full queen bedroom set fits in here perfectly. And then you head right over here to the right and you see you got your pocket door heading right into your walk-in closet. And then this is going to come equipped with its own ensuite. So that's fantastic. Then you see you got the full walk-in shower here. You just open that up. You got the chrome shower head and the shower valve. You got that open picture window right there. You got the sleek drain that you get to take advantage of. Quartz countertops. Now you let me know, do you like the, you know, simple, minimalistic, mirror, or would you add the mirror frame in there? I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Okay, so before we head to the garage, the one thing I want you to see is that you have another storage closet right here that you can take advantage of. And then you just open this up and you're right here. So you have a ton of space, and then look at that. You already got the Maserati ready to go. But I love that you also see that you have that brick tiling on the back right there. That's pretty neat. But I love how open and spacious that is. Okay, so as if the first level wasn't enough, let's go ahead and show you the second level so that way you can see what you get and then go from there. So as I mentioned, going up the staircase, you see that we have that vinyl, and then you head up here, you have this loft area that you get to take advantage of, and I'm gonna show you that in just a second. Right here, look how cool this is. So it's extremely open. You got the recessed lights in here, the oversized picture windows. You can already see your view, so a nice, quiet community, a sought after community, and then you can already see what you get in here. So then you come down here and then you see how open the hallways are. And this is going to be your primary suite. What's neat about this is if you head over here, you can see how spacious the entire suite is, right? But look at that view. Wow. That's what I like to see. So that's a king size bed. You got the 2 nightstands. You got an additional sitting area over here. But look at this. And then like I mentioned earlier in the video, you have the ability to watch the Walt Disney fireworks. Can you imagine this view? Wow. All right, so you do have carpet in here, but the neat thing about this is straight ahead over there, that's gonna be accessing your closet, but you can also access that from your ensuite here. We'll get to that right now. Look at that. So love that we have the quartz countertops. So you got the same material as far as the cabinetry in the kitchen, so they kept it uniform, but you have that nice soaker tub straight ahead right there. Water closet over here to the left. Look how roomy this is. Not bad. Really love that. But then you open this up and look how spacious the walk-in shower is. You already got the sleek shower drain, you got the porcelain tile shower surround. Also, you got the shower wands on both ends, dual shower heads, and then they opted to go for the chrome shower valve right there. But I tell you what, you put some Epsom salt in here, nice steaming bath. You talk about winding down, that's a perfect place for you. Okay, so now heading into your massive primary closet, you got the pocket door separating the two. You already got a designated vanity area right there. All you need to do is add that LED mirror and you are good to go. But look at this. You already got your built-in shelving, your built-in drawers. You got the chrome racks in here. So extremely spacious. And the neat thing is, if you didn't want to access from your ensuite, you just go ahead and come around here and then you can take advantage. Love that. So like I said, you have the French doors opening that up. Then you got the French doors here. And of course you got your furnace. But then, like I said, you have 4 additional bedrooms upstairs. Right over here, this is gonna be your utility room. You already see you got the washer and dryer ready to go, so plenty of space for that. Love that they added the sink over here with the quartz countertops, additional cabinetry on top right there. So we're seeing this beautiful color. I'm not gonna attempt to name it. I know we talk about that all the time. End up embarrassing myself. But okay, so look how cool that is. You already got your sliders here, ready to access that balcony. So if you wanted to enjoy the fireworks, you can certainly do that over here as well. Let me open this up for you. Look at that. And then you can see some additional sliders right there. So all the bedrooms get access. Everyone's shown love. Love that. Okay, so you are gonna have the ensuite in here. You see you got a nice decent closet here. You got the wire racks, carpet in here, but then you walk right here. Of course you have the quartz. You already got the recessed lights up there, and they already come equipped with the shower wand. So let me know in the comments what you're thinking about this particular home. Is this something you can see yourself living in? I'd love to hear your thoughts, and of course, you know, who wouldn't want to live in Florida, right? All right, so now you head down the hallway, you see some additional picture windows that you could take advantage of. And then you got the 2 additional bedrooms right here. So we'll start right over here to the right. And then you see, you got the other slider here. You got carpet in here, queen bedroom set. Fits perfectly in here. And of course, you got the pocket door separating this ensuite. And then the same material that we'll see as far as the shower. Now, would you make any changes to this one as far as the shower? You know, the quartz, you can never go wrong with quartz. Love that. But what is pertinent is that they really wanted to go with that minimalist feel. You know, you don't want to go crazy, and then, you know, sometimes it might turn folks off to, you know, all the loud, you know, upgrades and things like that. So, you know, you keep it simple, but elegant at the same time, and that's your best bet. So right over here, you see you got an additional storage closet. So the one thing that is really coming to the surface is that you have a ton of storage from downstairs to upstairs. You get to take advantage of that. And then your 5th and final bedroom. Look at that. So like I said, you already got your sliders on all the bedrooms. You get to take advantage of that, at least the secondary ones. And then you see this similar size. And then you come over here to your ensuite. So this one has a walk-in closet. Got the carpet in here as well. And of course, last but not least, the last shower. So I really love that every single bedroom had their own bathroom attached to it. And then, like I said, you had the half bath. That was right there where that formal living is. And then you have that wet bar, of course. And then in here, they decided to go with the white cabinetry. I think, that really looks nice with the quartz countertops. Okay. So that was the entire first level we had the good fortune of seeing. And then we got the entire second level. Last but not least, of course, I know you want to take a look at the backyard just to see the pool and then what you get as far as overlooking that lake view. But really, like I mentioned, if it's something where you want to have this view every single day and get to take advantage, this is going to be something first come, first serve. I'm telling you, it will not last long. And it's one of those things where if it's a good property, it's one of those situations where it's always best to just reach out, even if it's something where you're not even thinking about it just yet, just to get some more details. So right here, you see you got the covered backyard patio here. You see that stucco continues here. And then look at that. So you can open all these sliders up and just, oh my goodness, have that indoor outdoor feel. And right now it's, gosh, 79, 80 degrees. So this is the perfect time to take advantage of that. But look at this. So you already have your built-in grill. You got that cobblestone here again. And then you see that you have some turf. So if you wanted to take advantage of that, so you have a little bit of area. But the cool thing is you already got your built-in pool. So you get to take advantage of that. And then imagine having this view right here all the time. You get you a nice boat and take advantage of this and you are certainly good to go. Look at that. And today is Sunday. So, folks are having a good time. Look, there's some kiddos over there playing. Wow, what a great Florida life, right? But other than that, family, that was another beautiful property tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for this beautiful property tour. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this particular home. Is this something you could see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? If so, let me know in the comments below. Of course, if you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, make sure you reach out to the information below as well. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.